Hi guys, I thought I'd just make a quick wee video on ionic formula writing using the group ions. Now it's the end of the last task. So last question on the last task was, writing ionic formula using group ions. I'm going to go through a couple of the examples I've got on the slides, check your answers, and then I'll show you one from the actual worksheet as well. So let's look at magnesium sulfate. So to write ionic formula, you need to write the ions. So the first thing is, what is magnesium ion? It's Mg 2 plus. And the sulfate, you would look up on your data booklet, National 5 data booklet, the top of page 8. You look for the sulfate ion. You've already got on that nice table that you've already done. It's SO4 2 minus. Now, whether you need to put any more numbers in here is whether these two numbers are different. So for instance, take magnesium and you say, well, it's got a valency of 2 because it's 2 positive. Sulfate has a charge of 2 minus, the whole ion, you have to keep that together. It has a valency of 2, therefore it's got 2 bonds. So that is the formula. You do not need to do anything else there. Okay. So looking at something a wee bit more harder, look at the second one, sodium sulfate. So same idea, sodium, Na plus, and again we're using the sulfate ion, so it's SO4 2 minus. Okay. Now there is a slight problem here. These valencies are different. Sodium has a valency of 1 arm coming out of it, and sulfate has 2. So we're going to have sulfate over here, and it's going to have, I'm just going to write it all over here if that's okay, 2 arms coming out of it. So therefore you need 2 sodiums. If you do the crossover method, you'd end up having to put a 2 here. Okay, so that is sodium sulfate. Now, when it gets to, let's look at the worksheet, if there's anything slightly different there. So we look at the worksheet. Now I'm going to pick one that was going to require something slightly harder in thinking about what is going on here. So for instance, if we take magnesium nitrate, okay, so magnesium nitrate is Mg 2 plus. The nitrate ion, you know from the top of your data booklet, you do not need to remember these, you're always going to have them in your data booklet, is NO3 minus. Now the problem is there, you're going to have Mg, a valency of 2, so 2 arms coming out of there. Nitrate is NO3, only a valency of 1, so 1 arm coming out there, so you're going to need 2 nitrates there. Now, this is a slight problem because you can't just put a 2 here, but you can, but that would look like you've got 32 oxygens. A bit rubbish. So in order to say you've got 2 of the nitrate ion, you put the whole of the nitrate ion in bracket and the 2 subscript 2 after it. So that would be the answer to that one. Now, hopefully that's helped you. So it's literally just going through each one, writing out the formulas, going through steady working out whether they've got the same or different valencies, which one needs to be multiplied. If it's an ion by itself, you can just put a subscript down here. If it's a whole group ion, you need to put the whole of the group ion in brackets and multiply it by 2. Right, hopefully that's helped. I'm going to give everyone that just a wee heads up to see if you can finish that assignment. Let me know if you still don't understand it after that.